To check your transaction history on Northland Financial, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Northland Financial website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Account section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Account section, find the option labeled Transaction History or Recent Transactions. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose the time frame. You may be prompted to select a time frame for the transactions you want to view. Choose the desired dates or select a predefined range like last 30 days. Step 5. Review your transactions. After selecting the time frame, your transaction history will be displayed. Review the list of transactions for details such as dates, amounts, and descriptions. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Northland Financial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.